IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. What do you do to help protect the environment? Band 5 answer.
I try to recycle my plastic bottles and not use too much water. Sometimes I also walk instead of drive, but not always.
Why is this a band 5? Fluency and coherence. Hesitations, and limited development of ideas. Answers are short and somewhat disjointed. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary. Plastic bottles. Walk, drive, with little variety. Grammar. Simple structures with limited range. Pronunciation. Generally understandable, but lacks natural rhythm and intonation. Typical of a band 5. Communicates basic meaning, but with frequent pauses and simple, limited language. 7.5 answer.
I usually separate my household waste and recycle things like paper, glass, and plastic. I also try to save energy at home by turning off lights when I don't need them. And I prefer using public transport instead of driving.
Why is this a band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth and well-organized. Ideas are linked logically. Lexical resource. Good range. Household waste. Save energy. Public transport with accurate use. Grammar. Mostly accurate with some complex structures. By turning off lights when I don't need them. Pronunciation. Clear and natural, with good intonation and word stress. Typical of a band 7.5. Speaks fluently with minor lapses. Vocabulary and grammar are flexible and mostly precise. Band 9 answer.
To minimize my environmental impact, I make a conscious effort to reduce waste and energy consumption. For instance, I compost food scraps, use energy-efficient appliances, and avoid single-use plastics whenever possible. I also support local eco-friendly initiatives like community cleanups and tree planting events.
Why is this a band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless flow with rich detail and clear organization. Lexical resource, sophisticated and precise. Minimize my environmental impact. Single-use plastics. Eco-friendly initiatives. Grammar. Wide range of complex structures used accurately. Pronunciation. Completely natural, with excellent rhythm and intonation. Typical of a band 9. Fully fluent, highly flexible use of vocabulary and grammar, and effortless communication. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.